guys, today I think it was my second video that I've done on YouTube, and instead of like doing like solving puzzles, playing Fortnite or like playing Roblox or anything like games and stuff like that, I thought I could do some planting because I haven't like done any planting for a long time. So please can you subscribe and follow me and smash that like button. Guys, we're going to be planting some nice lettuce, if you can see. And we put some like mud, fish and bone in there, and we're going to top it up with some of these soil. Now guys, we have filled the bucket up, but I just want to introduce my dog. He's called Oreo. You might be done putting the soil in there, and now we're doing some lettuce. Yeah. And I think there's 1,000 seeds in here. I've cut it open, and I'm just going to show you these seeds. There's 1,000 of these in here. Oh, well, about half of them are right on the floor. Do you see that there? These little tiny seeds? They'll probably be, and my dad says that I think probably 3 of these pots would fit about all of these. Now we haven't got 1,000 as half of them just went on the floor, but now guys, I'm going to sprinkle these across here, and thumbs up that I do not drop them. I don't drop these seeds anymore, but I don't want to drop billions, so sprinkle these. I might put like a little bit more in. And if you see like I'm talking to somebody, because my dad is the one who's...
That's enough.
Next to me. I put over here.
Yeah, we can spread them now.
Okay. Now guys, I've done them. I think now I'll have to put the soil over these seeds now. Okay, nice. So, and for another thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up that these will grow. And I really want these to grow. I have got a plant inside that is starting to grow. I think I planted a few days before. So I can't see anything coming up from it, but I really hope it grows. I really hope these grow. Okay. I've done these now. I'm going to come back in a minute and I'm going to do the next thing. I'm back. We've like covered this in like wool, I don't know what it's called. And we've tied this round. We put this to keep it protected from like bird, pigeon, from eating the baby seedlings. We don't want that to happen, or they definitely won't grow. Because we don't, or if they would grow in a bird's stomach, and that the bird's stomach wouldn't be nice. So we'll put this covered over it, and we might be watering this. So that's why we've like done it so we can just water it like this. I don't think we're going to be watering in this video because the soil is damp now. So if it does we need to water, it's very easily to slip off, so we can just pour it in straight away. It's only been like 5 seconds, and this is going to be the end of the video because we've done all of this. So I'm just going to make sure that you remember to smash the like button, follow me and subscribe. So I might see you tomorrow. Tell me what I should do for tomorrow's video in the comments. If it's like maybe a few months later, I'll keep reading them, keep checking all the comments, and I'll keep doing what you say. So I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.